Hello third form, this is Mr. Gumpson here, and I'm creating this video just to show you where the companion for the face-to-face textbook is. So you're probably coming to the end of the Greatest Exploration handout that was supposed to last you about a week, and now I'm creating this video to show you where to find the next information that you need to help you with the textbook, the face-to-face textbook that you have for this topic, Discovery and Settlement of New Zealand. So I'm just here with this is my homepage for my GramNet. So I go to my social studies class. Yours is obviously going to look a little bit different, but on your social studies class, if you go to it, you click on that, you get to your social studies class. This is my 3F class, and I'm sure your teacher's homepage looks a little bit better than mine, but I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to scroll down to the course outline. Now your teacher's course outline might be in some other places, but if you find the heading course outline, you should be able to find the Discovery and Settlement of New Zealand link. Click on that. Once you're there, you can see there's plenty of information that's been uploaded by previous social studies teachers and teachers in charge, which you are very, very lucky that this is the case. So the Greatest Exploration, that's the stuff we've already done. You've probably accessed some of that information already. And you can see here that there's different chapters as we work through this topic. If you keep going down, you'll see right at the bottom here, it says Companion to Face-to-Face. Now this is where you're going to access some additional information, but most importantly, the questions you are going to answer for this topic. So you're going to read pages from the face-to-face textbook, and then you're going to answer questions from here. Now this is a Google slide document, and it pops up like this. Now the first couple of pages, or slides I should say, are from the Greatest Exploration. So you'll recognize a lot of these. As you go through, you'll recognize all of these questions that you have already done. Eventually, you get to the face-to-face textbook. Now there's a little glossary here to help you out, and there's a couple of other little glossaries along the way. But as you go through, you can see here that the first questions pop up. So this P2 and 3 refers to the pages in the face-to-face textbook that you have to read and then answer certain questions. These questions, and all the information is in your face-to-face textbook, and so on and so forth. It continues pages 6 and 8, and from there it's pretty self-explanatory. If you do have any questions, you can ask your teacher, but I just wanted to show you that and show you how important this companion to face-to-face is, because this is where you're going to get your questions from while in lockdown. All the best. I hope you're all safe and well, and keep up the good work.